Welcome, language enthusiasts, to a journey through the colourful and captivating world of English idioms. Idioms are more than just expressions. They are a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the words used. They're the secret code that adds flair and flavour to our everyday conversations. In this short video series, I'll be unlocking the mysteries behind some of the most useful and entertaining idioms in the English language. If you're hungry for more knowledge, or if you're looking to take your English skills to the next level, join me for private lessons. Together, we can explore the intricacies of the English language in a personalised and engaging way. Click the link in the description to learn more about how you can join me for one-on-one sessions. Get down to business. Get down to business is an idiomatic expression that means to focus on the main or essential tasks at hand, especially in a serious or efficient manner. When someone says, "let's get down to business," they are suggesting that it's time to start working on the important or central aspects of a project, discussion, or activity. This expression is often used to transition from introductory or less crucial matters to the primary purpose or goal of a meeting, conversation, or work session. It conveys a sense of seriousness and a readiness to address important issues or tasks without further delay. For example, in a business meeting, if there has been some general conversation or preliminary discussion, someone might say, "Okay, let's get down to business," signaling the shift to the more crucial topics or tasks at hand. If you found this idiom useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts, and drop a comment below sharing your example for this idiom or a situation where you'd use it. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep practicing.